Hi all, today we're going to do long division. We're going to review a little bit how we use long division, how we divide numbers without a calculator. We do that the longhand way. So I've got a number, 3,260, and I want to divide that by 5. Okay, so what is division? Well, division is just the inverse operation or the opposite operation of multiplication. In other words, I'm taking 5 and I'm multiplying it by a number to get 3,260. And I don't know what this number is here. So I need to figure it out and find out what it is. And we can use our long division to do that. Now, a lot of times students will set this problem up where they'll put the 3,260 on the outside and the 5 on the inside. Well, you're going to be able to do that in a little bit. You just add a decimal point and some zeros and go ahead and divide away. But that's not how you set up this problem. This problem should be set up with the 3,260 on the inside and the 5 on the outside. Because what this algorithm is saying is 5 times what number will give me 3,260. That's what this is saying. We're looking for this number here. So we can use our mnemonic device. A lot of you remember dad, mother, sister, brother, or you have another way to remember it. Your teachers told you. But the D stands for to divide, the M to multiply, the S to subtract, and the B to bring down. That's our last step. Dad, mother, sister, brother, or divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. I like to remember these three. Just helps me. I don't remember the division part because what I do is I ask myself 5 times what number that will go here will give me something close to 3. Well, that's a 0. So since it's a 0, all I have to do is look at both of these numbers. 5 times what will give me a number close to 32, and that number is 6. So I've multiplied. 5 times 6, 5 times what, which is 5 times 6, will give me a number close to 32, and that number is 30. So now I subtract. 32 minus 30 is 2, and now I can bring down my next number, the 6. Now organization is very, very, very important. Since I've took 5 times 6 that and into 32, that number 6 has to go over the 2. It's really important to keep your place. Whatever number you've brought down, that next number has to go over the 6. That's what you've brought down. Organization is the key because you want to keep your place values straight. If you don't, if you start too much to the left or too much to the right, then you're going to mess up your place values and have too many numbers. So now I'm going to multiply again. 5 times what will give me a number close to 26? Well, that number is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. I subtract, which is 1, and now I'm going to bring down that 0. Make sure that that next number you're multiplying, okay, I brought down that 0, that it is over the 0, because that's what you need to keep those place values. So now I multiply again. 5 times, when I multiply 5 times what, will give me something close to 10, and that number is 2. So 5 times 2 is 10. I subtract. I get 0. And I do not have anything else to bring down. There's nothing else here, and I have the remainder of 0, so I'm done. So I have found that 5 times 652 will give me 3,260.